Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is idiom 654. The idiom today is under the hood, and we got 4 meanings and 4 uses. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. All 4 meanings derive from the idea of a person looking under the car hood to see how well all the main parts that run a car are working, and if or where the problems may be. Okay, let's continue. Here's the first one: to examine and repair a car or fix any problem. So this is the original one. If you want to know why the car won't start, you must look under the hood. That's what any mechanic would say. Or number 2, if you want to buy a used car, you need to look under the hood to see if there are any issues, especially in regard to the battery, engine, starter, etc. Okay, good. Let's continue. Number 2, to investigate the internal workings of a group or organization. And here's our example. Once the new CEO takes over and looks under the hood, he will make a lot of decisions on how to revive the company. Okay. Number 3, to examine the internal workings of a computer system, machine, or software. All right, and here's our example for this one. It's an A-B part. A says, will you be able to fix my computer? And B says, I'll let you know after I look under the hood. You know, this, of course, is probably the technician. All right, number 4, to examine or investigate one's brain or mind. All right, we got 2 examples here. The doctor wants to take an MRI so he can look under the hood and see if there are any physical issues in your head. Well, that's the first thing. And number 2, that psychiatrist says it will take a number of sessions to look under the hood and get a good sense of how to treat her. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.